Okay, so I don't know if you can, but around what time did you kind of like walk up on them already, like mid-fight? 2:40? 2:20? You said she was coming up. Oh, okay. So you said you walked up on them. Were you walking on like the sidewalk by the apartment complex, or were you walking across the street? Okay. So you said you heard. What did you hear? Okay. So you were there at like 17 minute commercial. You heard that, and then you walked down to Logan. lady with the kid,
Yeah,
right?
she's the only one that was out of pocket, I swear. She was hella out of pocket, though. Like, I understand, you know, she's stolen or whatever. I can see she's stolen too. It's not what I'm doing. It's something to do. She did that completely.
Okay. So you said when you walked around to go see them, you saw the lady with the kid. What was she doing?
The kid wasn't there the first time.
Okay, so it's just
Yeah.
to separate.
I tried to talk to the lady. She was telling me how she's for everyone. She's tired of this shit.
Vehicle
And
rolled
then
over
so she walks off.
128.
She dips off. And I'm like, okay. So I go back and get my bike. And so I start heading this way. And then she's coming back. And then they cross paths and she tried to take me off. So I didn't see the blood. But it was something heavy, like something box on the side or something. It was something heavy. And the dog, like, oh, let me go. No, why are you taking this? She tore the whole tail. I didn't know whose foot that was. She tore it. Somebody's getting the wrong kid. Like, like,
Okay. So then after that,
the last few minutes, like when she came back the second time, she was there.
okay, the first time.
I didn't watch her. She walked towards the side of the complex. That I was still over the corner, on the side of it.
Just take photos. She doesn't want to be picked up.
I didn't know.
So when you walked down to go see what was happening, you say you saw them like mid fight. Okay, so the two females were fighting.
I mean, it was still real aggressive.
Yeah, but it was the two females. Was there anybody else involved? You were just watching. Okay, and then what happened? Eventually they just kind of broke off and they just walked away.
Once the girl got around, she got up and she basically like, I told her, that way. I'm trying to talk to the lady, you know, she's like, calling down, like, you know, she's making a scene. I'm like, just calm down, like, no, baby, like,
Okay.
she's like, fuck you. And she takes off. I'm like,
Did you currently get mail at all? The day center? How would somebody, if they needed to get in touch with you? Okay, what's her address? I appreciate your patience and your understanding.
No, I just did fill out my document. I just did it like 10 seconds before I left. I was gonna put it on my back. I was like, yeah, it's so stupid. It's not how just got it back. I was still there at the point. Because it was like, in the region came like dogs. I used to shoot rats, but I didn't have a house to shoot rats.
I'm gonna have to take the TV down, okay?
That's fine. That's fine. One of they something we're gonna have. They don't come to.
Was that? What?
Got it back.
Yep, all right.
You all good, man? Right on, man.